So I'm going to click selection, and I'm going to select every other loop. If you accidentally click one, you can just click it again. All right, now that you have every single other one selected, you can press X on the right controller. You're gonna select this gray box right here, and you're just gonna pull it outwards. Then I'm gonna go back, and I'm just gonna select more of these circles. Now I'm going to push them down, scale them in a little bit, and now I'm going to click here one more time to unselect and adjust these if you need to. Once you get it to a point that you like, you can click Y and you'll be done. All right, once you have the wrapping paper, then you can start by making the chocolates. So I'm going to grab a brown, going by red, orange, push it in. I'm going to go to shapes again. I'm going to go to cube at the top, and then I'm going to go to soft cube. Click this. You can make this, and then scale it in by pushing both hands inwards. Scale it to fit that wrapper. Try to make sure you don't make it clip through. You can also go to sphere. Click here, grab it, hold Y, and then you can push the right stick upwards and just flatten the bottom if you want, and then it will look nice and smooth. Press Y to be done. Perfect. Now we have another one. You can grab and click to duplicate. Boom. And if you want, you can go to brushes again, go to draw, go to custom stroke. Now you see this thing where it says projection mode. If you click on this, it will make a laser. So select whatever color you want. I'm thinking maybe like a white chocolate drizzle, and then you can draw swirls on the edge of it, and it will look like nice cream. And it doesn't just have to be that. You can grab this, duplicate it, maybe make it like a caramel color, make it reflective, and then draw like a reflective drizzle. You can even make it like a cherry drizzle one. Looking nice. All right, now that we have our chocolates, we can grab these, push them in a little bit, make them smaller, push the stick up to select the entire thing, group it by pressing X on the left controller. Now we can take our box and start putting these in here. Shrink them down by pulling both hands inward, and you can click. Grab another one, press X to group it, grab, shrink in, get our big boy right here, push the circle up, grab scale in, click or place it, push the stick up, select it all, grab it, shrink it down, press X to group it, again, scale it in, yeah. Using the same technique, you can select it maybe like a bright pink color. You can go to custom stroke, and by pushing this up, you can make the brush bigger. Perfect. Put this on here, push the circle up, group it, pressing X, then you can put this one right on top. Perfect. Now we have some chocolates. All right. Looking great.